Pay attention to this machine in the process of running. You can shovel the grass on the ground, and then pass it through the conveyor belt, directly to the end of the rolling device and, finally pack it into a grass roll. This is the incredible grass cutting machine. And the principle is that, there is a pair of sharp cutters at the front of the machine. And they are responsible for cutting the width of the grass. It's like cutting a cake. First separate the grass with the same width. And then wait for the tractor to run. The blade at the bottom of the back is responsible for cutting the grass and sending it to the conveyor belt. And then to the rolling machine. The grass will be rolled up here in once. It's rolled up to 10 meters. It's going to be cut off and then you just have to wrap it up with a net. Once the packing is done, the whole workstation will start to tilt and lift the grass roll to the last platform on the platform. The grass roll rolls in the opposite direction through the rotating disc at the bottom and rolls down from the side of the machine. In addition to this kind of rolling grass cutting machine, there is also a folding grass cutting machine, where the cut grass is folded up in an even layer. At first, the grass will be pressed a little bit by a row of whole wheels during the transmission process to ensure that the thickness of the grass is consistent. And then to the end of the conveyor belt, the mechanical arm that keeps moving will fold the grass layer so that the grass will be able to reach 20 meters longer. How about this? Is not very magical.